Ever dreamt of owning a slice of Apple, or maybe you fancy yourself a future Amazon billionaire, by proxy, of course. If you live in the land of maple syrup and hockey, achieving those dreams can come with a slight hurdle, finding the right investment platform. That's where Questrade comes in. You might have stumbled upon their name while researching online brokers, but a nagging question lingers: is Questrade just a Canadian thing, or can international investors get in on the action? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Questrade and answer that question, along with a few others you might have brewing. Let's face it, the world of investing can be intimidating, especially when navigating unfamiliar territory. So, whether you're a seasoned Canadian investor or someone curious about exploring the market from afar, this video is your one-stop shop for all things Questrade. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Questrade solely available to our Canadian friends? The verdict: strictly Canadian. For now, at least, Questrade services are exclusive to Canadian residents. There's no hopping on board from the US, Europe, or anywhere else outside the Great White North. This might seem like a limiting factor, but there's a reason behind it. Financial regulations vary drastically from country to country. To operate legally and securely, Questrade needs to comply with a specific set of rules established by Canadian financial authorities. Expanding internationally would require navigating a whole new set of regulations, a complex and time-consuming process. But wait, there's more. While Questrade itself might be off limits, there's still hope for international investors with a hankering for Canadian stocks or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Here are a few alternative routes you can explore. International brokers: several online brokers cater specifically to international investors. Look for platforms that offer access to the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, or Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE. Do your research and compare fees, account minimums, and investment options before committing. US-listed Canadian ETFs: some Canadian ETFs are listed on US stock exchanges like the NYSE Arca. This allows international investors to purchase them using a US-based brokerage account. Keep in mind you might encounter currency conversion fees. Beyond borders, the benefits of a Canadian broker. So, why all the hype surrounding Questrade if you can't use it directly? Let's delve into what makes this Canadian platform so popular among domestic investors. Commission-free trades: Questrade boasts some of the most competitive commission structures in Canada. They offer commission-free trading on a wide range of stocks and ETFs, making it a budget-friendly option for beginners and seasoned investors alike. User-friendly platform: Questrade's platform is known for its intuitive interface and user-friendly design. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete novice, navigating the platform and making trades is a breeze. Research and education: Questrade doesn't just provide a trading platform, they empower investors with a wealth of educational resources. From webinars to in-depth articles, they offer valuable tools to help you make informed investment decisions. While Questrade might not be for everyone geographically, its reputation for low fees, user-friendliness, and educational resources make it a top contender for Canadian investors. For international viewers, don't despair. Explore alternative routes like international brokers or US-listed Canadian ETFs. Remember, investing carries inherent risks, so do your due diligence before jumping in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.